Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. Today we're going to go over 10 ways to quit your job with passive income. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing methods I've ever seen. You don't want to miss this. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon, and let's get started. Passive income is an American dream for many people. A lot of people think it's really hard to achieve it or think it's all impossible. But I'm here to tell you it's all possible and anyone can achieve it. The secret to financial success is having a proven working system and following what really works. So here's 10 ways to quit your job with passive income. Number 10, Instagram sponsored posts. Instagram has over 1 billion active users and is definitely considered one of the most popular social media platforms in the world and for businesses. That means there's a huge potential audience to reach with sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are a form of passive income, which means you can earn money without having to put in a lot of active work. And best of all, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a phone or a camera and an Instagram account. Just take some photos or videos of your product or service, post them on Instagram, and tag them with a sponsor's username. Then wait for the sponsor to approve your post and start earning money. It's that simple. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, why not give Instagram sponsored posts a try? Number 9, creating an app. If you have a great idea for an app, you can be sitting on a potential gold mine. With the right marketing and a bit of luck, your app could become the next big thing. And best of all, once it's up and running, it can provide you with a passive income stream that can help to supplement your other earnings. Of course, creating an app is no easy feat, but a lot of people think that creating and marketing an app is a long and difficult process. But it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and some creativity, practically anyone can create an app that generates passive income. The first step is to come up with an idea for an app that people will actually want to use. Once you have a solid concept, you'll need to create a prototype and test it out with a small group of users. Once you've ironed out the kinks, it's time to start marketing your app. Create a compelling website and build up a social media presence to attract attention from potential users. With a little hard work, you can create an app that will bring in passive income for years to come. You'll need to come up with a unique concept, design, and develop the app, and then promote it to the masses. But if you're willing to put in the hard work, it could be well worth your while. Who knows? You can end up making millions. Number 8, selling your videos. If you're like most people, you probably have a lot of videos sitting around on your hard drive. Whether they're homemade clips, recorded TV shows, or downloaded movies, chances are you've got a digital library that's just gathering dust. But what if I told you that those videos could be generating passive income? That's right. By selling your videos, you can earn money while you sleep. There are a number of ways to go about selling your videos. You can list them on sale on a stock footage website or platforms like iTunes and Amazon. You can also create your own website and sell them directly to customers. There's a reason why so many people are interested in selling their videos. It's a great way to generate passive income. Once you've created a video, you can sell it again and again without putting in any extra effort. And with the proliferation of digital platforms, it's easier than ever to reach a wide audience. If you're looking to sell your videos, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, consider the rights you're selling. Are you selling the video outright or are you licensing it for specific use? Second, think about the price. What are similar videos selling for and what is the value of your video? Finally, promote your video and make it easy for buyers to find. With a little effort, you can start generating passive income from your videos. Number 7, Facebook Shops dropshipping. Did you know that you can generate passive income by dropshipping through Facebook Shops? Dropshipping is an online business model in which entrepreneurs sell products online without having to carry inventory. When a customer purchases an item in your shop, you go to your supplier to ship the product directly to the customer's address. Dropshipping is a great way to start an e-commerce business because it's relatively low risk and easy to set up. And with Facebook Shops, it's now easier than ever to get started with dropshipping. Facebook Shops allow you to create personalized shops on Facebook and Instagram, making it easy to showcase your products and reach a wider audience. Best of all, setting up a Facebook shop is completely free. So if you're looking for a passive income stream, dropshipping through Facebook Shops is definitely worth considering. Number 6, sell stock images. You can upload your photos to a stock image website and earn money each time someone downloads one of your photos. It's a great way to make some extra cash and it doesn't take much effort to get started. All you need is a camera and an internet connection. Plus, you can sell as many or as few photos as you want. It's entirely up to you. If you're a photographer, you may be wondering if selling stock images is a worthwhile way to earn passive income. The answer is that it can be, but it takes some work to get started. First, you need to sign up with a stock image site like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. Once you're approved as a contributor, you can start uploading your photos. When someone buys one of your photos, you'll receive a commission. The amount you earn will vary depending on the photo and the site, but it can range from a few cents to a few dollars. So if you have a large portfolio of high quality photos, selling stock images can be a great way to earn passive income. Just be prepared to put in some initial effort to get started. Number 5, start an Airbnb business. An Airbnb business might be the perfect fit if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income. With a relatively low investment and an ability to generate passive income, an Airbnb business can be a great option for those looking to supplement their income or replace a full-time job. In addition, it can be a fun and rewarding way to meet new people and see new places. If you're interested in starting an Airbnb business, there are a few things you'll need to do in order to get started. First, you'll need to find a suitable property. This can be either a whole house or an apartment or just a room in your own home. Once you've found the perfect property, you'll need to list it on Airbnb and start promoting it to potential guests. With a little effort, you can soon start earning passive income from your very own Airbnb business. Number 4, become an influencer. Anyone with a large following on social media can be considered an influencer. Influencers are the key to any business marketing strategy. They have a following of people who look up to them and trust their recommendations. So it's important that you get this right when hiring an influencer for your product or service. Many brands are now turning to influencers to promote their products and services because they know that influencers have a significant impact on consumer behavior. While it may seem like becoming an influencer is simply a matter of amassing a large number of followers, it takes more than just numbers to be successful in this field. Influencers need to be able to engage with their audience and build trust. They also need to have a strong understanding of the platform they are using and how to best use it to reach their target audience. In addition, influencers need to be constantly creating content that is interesting and useful to their followers. Those who are able to successfully navigate these waters can reap the rewards in the form of passive income and increased exposure. Number 3, sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle. Have you ever thought about writing an ebook but didn't know where to start? Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing KDP platform makes it easy to self-publish ebooks and reach a wide audience of potential readers. With KDP, you can earn royalties of up to 70% on the list price of your book, making it a great way to generate passive income. And best of all, you can keep complete control of the rights to your book. If you're interested in writing an ebook and selling it on Amazon Kindle, here's everything you need to know. First, you'll need to come up with a great book idea. Consider what topics you're passionate about or what questions you often get asked. Then, do some research to make sure there's a market for your book. Once you've settled on an idea, it's time to start writing. As you write, keep in mind that your goal is to create a book that people will find valuable and enjoyable to read. When you're ready to publish your ebook, log into your Kindle Direct Publishing account and click Add New Title. Enter your book's information, including the title description and keywords. You'll also need to upload your manuscript. Once your ebook is published, it will continue to generate income for you without any additional effort on your part. Number 2, start a Turo business. If you're looking for a way to earn passive income, starting a Turo business might be the right option for you. Turo is a car sharing service that allows people to rent out their personal vehicles to others. As a Turo business owner, you would list your car on the Turo website and set your own rental rates. When someone books your car, you would then meet them at a specific location to hand over the keys. Turo takes care of all of the billings and payments, so all you need to do is manage the rentals. Turo businesses can be extremely profitable, and they offer a great way to earn passive income. If you're interested in starting a Turo business, sign up today and start earning. Before we get to number 1, be sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any thoughts on what kind of videos we should make next after the video, let us know in the comments below. Number 1, become a YouTuber. We've seen a ton of success in the world of YouTube, and even though you've heard a lot about YouTube, it's an absolute goldmine, and it's the second largest website in the world. So if you're looking for a way to start a part-time side hustle to make some extra cash or turn your YouTube channel into a full-time automated business, then you've come to the right place. We have a special free YouTube course that will teach you how to start a YouTube channel and generate passive income without showing your face. Also, if you do want to show your face, this course will also help you with that. So if you're really serious about starting YouTube and want to take it to the next level, then click the link in the description and get started now. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making passive income online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.